Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. Today, we're counting down 5 innovative air fryers and smart countertop cooking appliances packed with advanced technology, large capacities, and versatile cooking functions. From dual-zone cooking systems to smart app controls and glass cooking containers, these appliances bring convenience and creativity to the kitchen. Let's get started. Number 5. Typhur Dome 2. The Typhur Dome 2 is a premium smart air fryer designed to deliver fast, even cooking with its advanced 360-degree dual heating technology. Powered by a 1,750-watt system, it features a spacious 5.6-quart basket that can hold a 12-inch pizza or up to 32 chicken wings in a single layer. Its innovative airflow design helps reduce the need for flipping food while promoting crisp and consistent results. The Dome 2 includes 15 cooking presets, covering everything from air frying and baking to dehydrating and toasting. A unique self-cleaning mode helps remove stains from the upper cavity, while the PFAS-free ceramic-coated basket is dishwasher safe for easy maintenance. Smart app connectivity and low-noise operation add extra convenience to everyday cooking. Number 4. Dreo ChefMaker. The Dreo ChefMaker combines air frying with advanced cooking technology to help users achieve precise results. This 1,800-watt appliance features a 6-quart capacity and utilizes water atomization technology along with powerful convection heating. It offers 3 cooking modes, including Chef Mode, Classic Cook, and Probe Cook, giving users flexibility for different recipes. A built-in dual-point temperature probe helps monitor food temperatures accurately, while the integrated water tank supports moisture-enhanced cooking. The 4.3-inch display and large viewing window allow easy monitoring, and Wi-Fi connectivity enables remote control and access to guided recipes through the companion app. Number 3. Café Couture. The Café Couture Smart Countertop Oven delivers impressive versatility in a stylish design. Equipped with 6 quarts heating elements and 1,800 watts of power, this appliance supports 14 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, roast, slow cook, dehydrate, pizza, and crisp finish. The spacious 25-liter interior can accommodate a 12-inch pizza, a casserole dish, or multiple slices of toast. Temperatures range from 80 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for a wide variety of cooking tasks. Smart HQ app integration, voice control compatibility, and a premium LCD interface enhance usability, while included accessories help expand its cooking capabilities. Number 2. Instant Pot VersaZone. The Instant Pot VersaZone offers flexibility through its innovative dual-zone cooking system. With a total capacity of up to 9 quarts, users can choose between one large cooking chamber or divide it into 2 independent zones. The appliance supports multiple functions, including air fry, roast, bake, grill, reheat, and dehydrate. Features like Sync Cook and Sync Finish help coordinate cooking times and temperatures across both zones, making meal preparation more convenient. Even Crisp technology promotes crispy textures with minimal oil, while the Clear Cook viewing window and touchscreen controls provide a user-friendly experience. Number 1. Ninja Crispi Pro. The Ninja Crispi Pro introduces a unique approach to air frying with its PFAS-free glass cooking containers. Powered by up to 2,050 watts, this system includes a large glass container for family-sized meals and a smaller container for side dishes and snacks. The modular cooking base supports functions such as max crisp, air fry, roast, bake, proof, dehydrate, and re-crisp. The thermal shock-resistant glass allows users to prepare, cook, serve, and store food in the same container. Clear glass construction makes it easy to monitor cooking progress without opening the lid, while dishwasher-safe components simplify cleanup after meals. That concludes our countdown of 5 impressive smart cooking appliances. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and kitchen technology roundups. We'll see you in the next video.